Prashant, share your screen. No. You can stop and again share. It is visible to other person? But it is, why it is 1 minute? What is happening? Okay, everybody's are getting, oh yes, now it's come, Okay, now it is visible. Yes, it is recording is happening. But it is little bit tough because Google is running and background Zoom is running till we are trying to record. 86 and 4. No, 8, 4. 9, 5, 6, 4. No.
Let me tell you three couple of cases. One is store the file into middle. Okay. You can store the file into our next. One is the other is in our operating system folder, right? In our hard disk. One is DB, other is hard disk. Right. Hard disk it is in any folder. In case of folder, there will be two types of voltage of carbon. And another option is Tomcat server. Inside the Tomcat folder, we can store the file or web application. From file web application, that is file upload application. After development, I need to deploy it, right? I'll deploy the application to the server. So, actually, I didn't show you how to deploy a project. Actually, it is not installed by the repository, but it is not installed. First of all, that web directory. After installation in web directory, we have to deploy what I okay. After deploying, it creates a folder there for your project. And inside that project, you can store first click should be, otherwise your download it here. Let me go I see them. Hello. Sure. How many of you have done file upload? How many of you have done file upload? Who have done file upload? First tell me where you have stored the file? In the database. I don't know how to store in the folder, but I have stored successfully in the database. Okay. Any other ways? We have stored in folder or in project application folder. So we have the project Tomcat server is stored any other way? Because every purpose have some advantage and disadvantage also. Okay. So if you want to upload a file, or you want to build a file, first you need to have a clear knowledge about which process has what kind of advantage or disadvantage. So first, if you want to store it in a database, any application like Nokti.com, there is a chance to shoot it. Some files are inside. After uploading some files, it is to one. Storing a file, I think it is not suitable. For a smaller project, it is okay. But for any project like Nokti.com, file upload is very crucial thing. So storing into DB, I think is not suitable. It will cost your project higher. Okay, because it will consume more spaces on the database, and it will slow your application. Next, if you store the file, it is normal folder, right? It is my office laptop, so I don't have right to. Suppose if I download the Apache Tomcat and install it, first I need to create our own Jerry path, okay? But I don't have right to do that. We have to install the Apache Tomcat. I have Apache Tomcat also, but it is not installed. I have Apache Tomcat. This is not. Suppose you want to install. After installation, in C program files, you will see the same folder structure. So if you want to get so what to do? Here you have to paste your folder file, right? Folder. And after deployment, be started. In my case, in that case, in my machine, it is not starting the server because we don't have the generic home set up. Okay, and it is not installed. So first you need an installation from that. If you start up, first let me create the work file and show you how to do this. Export work file to the destination folder. Desktop file uploader .word save. Okay. So this is our Word file about the project. You can see it is our project. We have some file transfers. Okay. But here we got a .word file, right? So what to do? Copy that. Paste it inside the document. So after in the folder, just paste it. It is file uploader .word, right? Now what you have to do? From binary folder to start your server. Right now it is not started. Okay. If the server is started and everything was fine, and if you don't have any error in your project, okay, then what Tomcat will do for you in Webware, it will create the entire project structure here. From this file, it will create your project folder. Okay. So inside that project folder, we can store a file. Inside this project folder also we can store a file. The file will be stored right now. No positive. So if we do this, if we store a file inside this project application folder, so there is also a problem. Actually, it is the easiest way. It is the easiest way to store a file in a project application folder. Okay. It is the easiest way. And your application will be faster. Okay. Because all the files are stored inside your server, the project application server. Okay. So if you want to fetch any file, it will be very fast. And if you want to store a file, it is also very fast. But there is a problem with this approach. With this approach, there is a problem. What is the problem? Suppose your application is running for last 2 years. Okay, let's take an example. Suppose you have created an application, you have deployed, and for last 2 years, many users have uploaded many files. Okay. After 2 years, suppose you have made some changes on some Java class or you have added something, and you have project application to Word file. So next time, after creating the Word file, if you again paste the new Word file here, so again it will create, after starting the server, again it will create new folder. Then inside that new folder, immediately no file will be. So all the file the user has uploaded is gone. So that is the problem with this. Our project, we lose our files. If we don't take care of the folder, okay? And if you don't take it back up of the folder, so that's the problem with this approach. And if you store any file in hard disk, it is secure, You don't need any other kind of backup. Okay. It's stored inside our hard disk. We can only calculate the file. So it is according to me, it is the register. Okay. To store a file. So till now, whatever I have told you, like blah 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 blah. What's that one? I have one question. Store the file in the battery. Then after hosting our project, how it will work? So suppose we have deployed our project. Okay. So in my back, we have tested our workbench. When we start our application, start the server, so that will be created. But every file the user has been uploaded, you can see that in which drive you can store the file. Suppose in we drive, there is a folder. You have created a folder. Suppose my files. You have created a folder. Suppose you want all the files has been uploaded through this application. You want to store inside this folder. Okay. You can think about it. In which drive, in which folder you can store your files. Okay. In subnation, storage subnation. So every time any file is uploaded, it will be pasted into inside this folder. So any changes made in your application, drop it in this folder. Any changes made in our application, or any time we redeploy our project, does it impact this folder? Does this folder have any relation with the project object? Folder? So that is secure. Okay. So I think we have a question. That was my point. I have three approaches. I have got a file. Of the advantages and disadvantages of the approach. Any question on that? Because every time getting teachers come to me, so file upload. If I ask them, where you want to store it? Actually, they can't till now I did not get a proper answer. Actually, till now I did not see any person, any guy who have answered me clearly. But I have always asked, why I want to store your file? Sometimes they don't. If I ask, why you want to store the file into D? That's the answer I don't know. Okay. So first, be clear about that. Where you want to store your file. According to that, your code will be there. According to that, you have to code. Right? So according to me, among these three approaches, this is my favorite approach. Okay. And every approach has some advantage over another. That's some disadvantage over another. Okay. So it has some advantages also, and it has some disadvantages also. Okay. It also has disadvantages. Each workflow has some advantages and disadvantages over another. Okay. So today I will show you how to store a file, right? And there is another workflow. I always guess I think this is the one. Each and every project, I think in most of the projects, I have done file upload. Okay. First, every developer develop their application in Windows machine. So they code according to their machine. But when they deploy their application, it is in Linux environment. Okay. You can ask Alok sir, or you can ask, I think, Srinjan, right? Alok Srinjan? Have you deployed any project of this?
No, not in environment.
Yeah, each and every project currently running. Currently, each and every running project of PCS Global, in which environment the project has been developed?
Windows.
Windows. Ask Alexa first. First, you can get the code from Google. Code is not the big thing. Okay. Clear the concept of file upload. That's my concept. Each and every currently running project of PCS Global, in which environment this project has been developed? Windows. Alexa, Alexa,
1 minute, Prashant. And actually, the things is not everything is a actually currently we have a on private JVM in Windows, but the things is upcoming days everything will be in Linux. Actually, the entire things is going to move a VPS server of Linux environment. So they need to more focus on the learn the things is out in Linux. And here also it is a Windows, but it is not like drive like C drive, D drive in hosting server. It is a like the similar like path actually they need to apply in the Linux like in the hosting environment. You got the idea clear?
there. I think when Govinda was also there, then your all the project has been deployed in Linux.
Yes. Just actually few months ago we have taken a private JVM for Windows for the some purpose, but the things is it is actually, and also many hosting is already in exist in the Linux environment also. In PCS Global hosting is the main website is hosting is a Linux environment. So definitely it is going to, all of you need to be more accustomed about the Linux environment path. You need to know first, and then you can also learn the Windows. Also Windows, but it is really not like your local machine, C drive, D drive, not like that. And in many cases, your file need to upload in the path like in the project folder also. That is it is a so it will be not go to like drive actually.
Okay, there is the part of path. Okay, sir, may I proceed?
Yes, you can proceed.
So sometimes, many times I have seen the developer develop the application in Windows machine. Okay, when they deploy it in the Linux environment, the path doesn't work. It's a common issue. You can also face it. Okay, it is a common issue. Because suppose in a Windows machine, you have specified the destination folder is suppose we write this folder. Okay, suppose this is the path. E:5. But in case of Linux machine, you don't know. Okay, so we also need to take care of that. So, do we have any question on this? Because I am going to the coding part right now. Okay.
আমি যদি সার্ভারে আপলোড করি না, ধরো যদি সার্ভারে আপলোড করি মানে
You can please ask him.
Okay. If I upload in server folder, and if I want to view the file from the browser, how should I do that?
Just put the link.
I put the link, but it's showing that no file found, but the file is there.
The path is not correct. And there is one console is also there. One console is also there. Let me show you. Okay. Another question is permission, okay. I have faced some problems. Okay, in my career, I have some this problem. In my current project also. Okay. Okay. I have uploaded file. Coding is done. There is no more problem in coding. I have tested many times. Okay. But when I deploy our application, the file could not be stored. Okay. Nothing point condition. For 3 days I was trying this. When coding is done. Okay. So there is a concern about the permission. If you have read permission, write permission, you need to take care of that also. I think in your academic session, have you read the Linux or you studied it? You studied. Any operating system was there in your subject operating system?
Yes, basic operating system, some Windows not Linux.
Okay, if you learn operating system, then I think there is a concept, okay, permission, and read or write permission.
Yes.
You need to check this folder has which permission. Read permission, write permission, is there or not? If you don't have that permission, you cannot protect the externally, okay?
Okay.
So this is also one concern. So whatever you are doing that from the browser, I think from the browser, the path is not correct. Okay. And you need to check also that from browser, is there any permission to read that file? You need to check it. Okay. Okay. I'm not telling that this is the actual problem. This is the actual root cause. I'm not telling this. Maybe. But you need to check it. To check it. And in case of file read and write, or file upload and download, many concepts are there. In your career, you will face and you will learn. So I'm going to learn the basic story about file read and write. The file upload, not read write. Today's topic is file upload and download. Okay, so I will just show how to upload a file and how to download a file. Not how to read a file, but how to write a file. Okay. So today I'm going to follow this approach. I am going to upload a folder or file, upload a file from client version, and it's permanent. It will be stored into a hard disk. Suppose if I use it, okay, I am going to store that. Very simple. So this cost multiple time. I think this is one of them. But I want to use today this one. Okay. So first, that means jar file. Start the coding part. So I have GST. So in case of file, suppose I want to upload a file. So what will be my input type? I think you have known it already. The input type, what will be the input type? Put it inside a form. this one. Okay, access the register. Okay. So suppose in the graphical user interface, this is our state. Okay. Now, suppose I promote this subject as a formation. So what should be our result? If I use get, why? Why we should not? What is the problem with default? Why we should not use select? What is the difference between get and post? Actually, it depends on the point string. If we use get, then all the data will be present in the reward. Any other difference? Any other point? Any other guys can answer it? What is the difference between get and post?
আপনার প্ল্যানের বৈধতা শীঘ্রই শেষ হয়ে যাবে। রিচার্জ করুন বিনামূল্যে অবিচ্ছিন্ন পরিষেবা উপভোগ করতে।
All of you need to reply. If you, when your trainer is asking, if you stay silent and mute, anybody is advises to stay all mute. You are not giving any answer. You are not doing interaction. Hello, Pallavi, Pinaki, Pooja, everybody. Why you all of you are in mute? Okay, you are here to interact. If you do not know, tell the I do not know. If you know, you can tell the okay when your trainer is asking. Yes, okay. Proudly say no, I don't know. There is nothing wrong if you do not know.
Okay. Okay. So, do you know, tell everyone, get can up to the get can pass immediate amount of data. In case of post, there is no limit. Do you know that?
Hello.
Beginning of my session, I think I have told you. There is a difference. Actually, also in case in your interview, many questions can ask problem. Okay, so it is one of the important questions. That's why I am telling you. Okay. I can. Why we should not use area and why we should use post. Okay. Question. One of the point is it can pass on a limited amount of data, but it can upload only limited amount of data. And the size is 235K.
এখন যুগটা বলতে গেছে সময়ের সঙ্গে তোমাকে বদলাতেই হবে। এখন একটু দেখো এটা ভেবে লাভ নেই। তোমারই ইম্প্রুভ হবে। তাই করো সেটা অপরচুনিটি কি করা করছি যে নিউজে বসে আছে তোমার ধরে না এখানে প্রথম জিনিস
So it never I think this two third continue. That's how. In case of Kenya,
আমার কাছে ডিটেইলস গুলো শিখে দেখি আমার অ্যাটিটিউড আলাদা কিন্তু পাবো ওদেরকে তুমি এ করবো 12 সপ্তাহে 25 পেশেন্ট তারপর সে বলছে আমি তুমি ক্লিয়ার জন্য বসে থাকবেন আজকে যে কোশ্চেন থেকে ফাইল করতে করতে এটা আমি রেকর্ডিং করছি আমার এটা রেকর্ডিং হয়ে গেছে ওয়ার্কিং যখন পরের
রিকোয়েস্ট
দেখে তারপরে বল তারপরে
I will check. So I think that buy of this kind of way.
হ্যাঁ এখানে আস্তে
Why
আস্তে
in case of big numbers, in case of post person also amount of it. So in case of high upload, that's why it is better to use post. And you don't upload the high, then you manually put here, yes, it's right. Okay.
সেটা একটা প্ল্যানিং কর একটা প্রিপারেশন ঠিক আছে এটা প্রিপারেশন এটা কি কর দেখো না না ওদেরকে পারবি না ওরা কিভাবে পারবি না কেউ এখন বেশিরভাগ ছেলে উড়িষ্যা বা মনীষ থেকে মুর্শিদাবাদ কেউ এখন কোনো পারেনি হ্যাঁ ট্রেনিং থেকে এরকম এই থট প্রসেসটা থেকে বেরিয়ে আসবে যে অ্যাকচুয়ালি ফিজিক্যালি খুব ভালো অ্যাকচুয়ালি খারাপ আচ্ছা তোকে দুটো কথা বলি এক নম্বর হচ্ছে আমি একটা মোবাইল টেস্ট কোম্পানি আমি পেয়েছি যেখানে অপরচুনিটি করে দেয় এখানে হচ্ছে আমি সেটা থেকে বড় অপরচুনিটি বলছি সেলস কোর্সটা সেটা জরুরি কারণ সাড়ে আটটা তিন গুণ হয়ে যাবে সেইটুকুই বলছি তিন চাপাও পারবি দুদিন দেখলে নিশ্চয়ই পারবি না তোকে পার্সোনালি আমি বলবো কালকে আমি সকালবেলা মিটিং করতে আমাদের হচ্ছে একদম সেলস কোর্সের অপরচুনিটি ইউজ করবো না যেমন হচ্ছে মার্কেটে যেটা সামনে আসবে বলবি ছোট মানে এই লোকটাই সেশন নিয়ে যাবে বিশেষ বলে পুরনো ছেলেরা ফোন করছে পুরনো আরো সেটা করতে না না কখন তো সার্ভিস দেওয়া হচ্ছে না ওরকম দেওয়া হচ্ছে না কাউকে সেটা সম্ভব না এখন আর বাইরে তো ট্রেনিং দিতে ডুবনা করবো এখানে তো ওরা উদাহরণ কোনো জায়গা নেই
from this way,
জায়গা নেই ব্যাপারটা
it is a fine. It is a contact. For the multiple part, I want to do the coding. So I'm already
জানাতে শুরু করে দিচ্ছি সকালবেলা কথা আমার পাঁচটা দিয়ে আমি চাকরি পাঠিয়ে দেবো
I want to use this one. Okay. I can mention there the size, which is something. Another is int arguments. Int arguments. And the size is particular in the size because I can accept. Suppose I have make the maximum size of some supposed to be. আমি চাইছি সামনের বছর থেকে মানে আমাদের ছেলেরা যে লেভেলের দিতে চাইছি আলটিমেট এই যে রাতটা করে ইনিশিয়াল আছে আস্তে আস্তে অনেক চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে তো অনেক কিছু আমি ফুল টাইম থাকলে কত প্রজেক্ট মানে সবকিছু ধরে সহ্য করতে হবে রাইট টিসিএস মতো কোম্পানি চাইলে তো ডিমান্ড সহ্য করে আমি তো জানি চাপের মধ্যে করছি সোমবার দিন যাবো ওদের দুটো নিয়েছি দুটো ঠিক আছে তুই শুরু হচ্ছে এই অপরচুনিটি নাই আর চেষ্টা করে আমি যদি কয়েকজনকে জোগাড় করতে তোর চেষ্টা চালু করি কিন্তু দাপটে রাজত্ব করে ফরচুন 500 কোম্পানি এই সেক্টরে ফরচুন 500 কোম্পানিটা কাজ করে বুঝতে পারছিস আমার হাতেই কোম্পানি এসে গেছে চালু করে ওর হাতে ও হচ্ছে দুটো কোম্পানি চালু ওর আন্ডারে বিশেষের বাইরে দুটো কোম্পানি চলে Suppose I have to take the file name. They use the help approval. Return the string hello. Then comes out to number 5. Then you can store the file.
দেখো ওদের ইন্টেনশন আলাদা, আমার ইন্টেনশন আলাদা। আমার ইন্টেনশন আমার ছেলেদেরকে আমি মানে আমার ইন্টেনশন আমি দেখ আজকে ইন্টার সেই ব্যবসা করে হয়তো সে 5 কোটি টাকা কামিয়ে আর আমার ইন্টেনশন হচ্ছে আমি 1200 ছেলে নিয়ে আমার মধ্যে ওদের দরকার আছে নিজের ছেলেমেয়েদেরকে এমপ্লয়মেন্ট ক্রিয়েট করে দেবে।
Right to generate the file. This is two right to method. Right to what is file? The file of one is accepting file update and the other is accept up to stream of. That's very important because it use anyone. So suppose for simple, simple I want to use this one. The file type of parameter. So little file. File. There are many file questions there. This one accept string, well, this one accept URI. Okay. So I will use this one. And so
প্রত্যেকের মিশন আলাদা বিশেষ রোল এটা থেকে বলে দিই মানে আমি
mission for I will store the file into the folder. Right? File and this is the path. Okay, path. Next.
তো হামবড় হামবড় তো আছে চরম হামবড় আমি চিনি না যত আমরা এই তো প্রত্যেক 100 গুণ হামবড়
So this is proper.
জায়গা আমার কানেকশন আসবে আমি রিকভার করবো সেখানে বড় বড় জায়গা যান এবার তোরা আমার একটু তোরা তো এটাও বুঝতে হবে যে তারা কি করছে আরো কাজ করলে সুযোগ আসতো তো মজুদ আসতো একটা ভালো জায়গা দিয়ে দিই কোটেশন পাঠিয়েছি আমি যাচ্ছি
Laptop, just pick the name.
বলে আছি জানি তো আছি এই মাথা
this factor will actually return the files. Okay, the return no. After this will return files. File has not been so that they can validate the purpose.
अरे बिल्कुल लोग ये कैसे बता आपको कितना कंप्यूटर से कारण नहीं आपके उसमें एक ऐसा चाहिए अपन ताकि मुझे 10 का से मिल गया 100 का से मिल गया तो भाई আসলে তোমাদের 2021 সাল থেকে 2000 করে ছেলে জয়েন করে মিনিমাম মাস আর বেশি দিন কম মাসে 500 করে ছেলে জয়েন করার প্ল্যানিং করা আছে ওকে মান্থলি 500 ছেলে প্ল্যানিং হচ্ছে ট্রেনিংটাকে কোয়ালিটি করতে ট্রেনিংটাকে আরো
ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে
নতুন অফিসটা খুব ভালো হচ্ছে কষ্ট করে নিচ্ছি একদম সেম কেস মানে কিছু প্যাটার্নটা আলাদা প্যাটার্নটা বড় মিটিং রুম আছে বেশ বড় ট্রেনিং কনফারেন্স রুম আর 20টা সিট হবে কাউন্সিলিং রুম ঠিক আছে হাই লেভেল বলি আমি দুটো লেভেল মধ্যে একটু কথা শুরু করব ঠিক আছে আমি স্টেট আছে তুমি ম্যাচ করো না ছেলেটা শুরু দেখতে পারো আমি স্টেট আছে
basic coding of file. Now, check it out.
दाव तो बोली तो खबर नहीं आती खबर लाइव है सक्सेस करना ये आपको आगे शायद ये तो शायद है इसी किसी को नहीं तो कोई नहीं ये हमारे आपके आपको खबर ना मुझे जैसे आपने मुझे कहा कि समझते हैं ये लोकल जैसे चाहिए तो भी किसी लोकल इलेक्ट्रिक काल के लोकल इन बात तो पता था মানে কোম্পানি থেকে বড় একটা কোম্পানি থেকে থাকলে তো ভালো থাকবে সেটা সেটা আমি তো বলেছি আমি তো তোকে বলেছি আমি কি ওই জন্য ওদের কোনো রিসোর্স করি না মানে কারণ হচ্ছে আমি জানি ওটা হচ্ছে প্রয়োজন নয় ঠিক আছে ভালো কিছু ভালো টেকনোলজি যা পাওয়া বড় কোম্পানি এক্সপিরিয়েন্স নাই তাহলে কি হবে তো আমি মেডিকেল বলে করতে পারি এখন টাকা ছিল লেগেছে টোটাল বাচ্চা মেলানোর জন্য 1,20,000 টাকা লেগেছে
The runtime suppose not very good.
হ্যাঁ আজকে একটা মেসেজের মিলিং হচ্ছে প্রথম তুমি চার্জ করে প্রাইভেট হসপিটালে 70,000 টাকা ফার্স্ট যদি সিম্পল হয়ে যায় বাচ্চা এতে থাকলে পার ডে 4,40,000 টাকা হবে ইন্টেনসিভ বাচ্চাদের যে এখানে থাকে পার ডে দিলে আমার বাচ্চা 12 দিন ছিল বাচ্চা দিলে হচ্ছে পার ডে 6,000 টাকা করে আমার বাচ্চার বিল হচ্ছে 72,000 টাকা চটপট পড়া করে বড় এমএনসি কোম্পানিতে না জয়েন করলে বিয়ে করা চাপ আছে ওকে এমএনসি কোম্পানিতে জয়েন না করলে বিয়ে করা চাপ আছে এই বলে কি লাইফে কি আছে কি ইমাজিন করতে পারছো এটা বুলেট আছে কিছু পরে তোমার ফিনান্সিয়াল সিকিউরিটি না থাকলে বিয়ে করে শান্তি পাবে না সব এমএনসি করে কালকে এসে এমএনসি করে ঠিক আছে
Files are brought in my files. That's in context. File size on file successfully uploaded. This will be configured there. Now let's check file has been uploaded properly or not. How is it?
আরে এইসব লোকের কাজটা কি শুধু একটু হার্ড বুকে মার্কেটে দিতে আছে কি লোকের আছে কি যদি বেশি বাবা দেখতে চাই এই যে মানে এরা হচ্ছে প্রকৃত বেশি বাবা আছে টেকনিক্যাল জিনিসটা বুঝতে পারে জমি মুখার্জি এটা শুধু হার্ড বাতের গাছ অ্যাকচুয়ালি সেই লোক নয় শুধু বাতের গাছ ছাড়া কিছু জানে না বাতের গাছ দিন দুনিয়াতে অনেক লোক এখন খাচ্ছে ভালো জানতে না
This code can upload any kind of file. It's a very good file. Code configured exists. Okay.
ঠিক আছে না ভালো হলে ভালো স্কিল এবারে এমএনসি তে দিতে হবে
In this code, do you have any kind of doubt? It is a very simple code. It is the first step of file. Okay. And in your career, if there is any kind of problem you have to solve. Okay. So it's a very basic, very simple coding. Actually, this code is not sufficient for any application.
তাহলে দেখি আমি একটা অ্যাপ্লিকেশন দেব তোকে করতে বিশেষ ক্লাউড ল্যাবস মোবাইল অ্যাপ বাকি তো ফাইল করছে এটা ওটা তুই করতে শুরু করে দিবি টিমকে নিয়ে মনীষা করছে ব্যবস্থা করছে একটা শুরু করে করছে
Some user has uploaded some video. Your system could restrict or not. So your system should restrict it, right? Yes, sir. Restrict of upload any kind of video. Suppose it is one of the source. First step is it is one of the source where any hacker or Suppose you have uploaded an exe file and somehow that exe file has been executed. So it is one of the source from where your application can find. So it should be very, very, very secure. The file upload code. It is just the basic, just the first step. And this code is not sufficient. You need to know anything about the file upload.
যখন নিয়েছিলি তখন তার জন্য এবারে সময় হয়েছে
Now, so before this session, I told you clearly that file upload and download code is not very big deal. This is the simple code to upload a file. I can reduce the number of line number of code. Suppose this line is not needed. This line is not needed. It is 3 or 4 line code. Okay. This line not needed. How many lines of code are there? One statement, one group, one condition. To write the file, this method is enough. Hardly 4 to 5 lines of coding to upload a file. Okay. To upload a file is not a big deal. If you want to upload a file, if you want to learn how to upload a file, nothing in the upload. The main topic is you need to learn the Java.io.
I am leading the pieces for that, and I am a technology architect with Arvind just mentioned 24.
So it is uploaded code, right? It's very simple. There is nothing out of upload. Now we have to validate something inevitably. Suppose this kind of validation is mandated. In case of file, there should be some restriction on file extension. Then this kind of file you cannot upload. Your system could restrict. Suppose .exe file should not be uploaded. Suppose this application is not for video upload. So you need to restrict. Suppose at least make download or simple video. It is about file upload. Okay? And file download, according to different approach, coding is different. Suppose you want to follow this approach, and downloading a file, coding is different. If you want to follow this approach, downloading is different. If you want to follow this approach, just using an anchor tag, you can download the file. Okay? Just put that lower part of the file. No extra coding is required. The file will be downloaded. According to your approach, the coding will be different. But it will be hardly 4 to 5 lines coding. So simply download a file. But that is not sufficient for your any kind of live project. Any kind of project. This is not sufficient. This is just the first step. So this is all about file.
In this code, where you are using the parameter of HTML, like name equal to my file.
It doesn't equal. That's why it's one of my favorites are file. I start with this. Like okay. It is not legal. I have used the okay. Object you can create it. You can validate it. You can validate it. Suppose where next. And if it is this file, suppose there are 2 files. Okay, it is also required. You have asked suppose in this top, in the subject there are 2 files. One is your CV, other is your photocopy of suppose you want to create an application, this field, in the next field, you will upload the photocopy of blockchain mark sheet. After that, the user will upload the AES mark sheet. After that, you will upload the if you want in a single form, there may be more than one, five, right? Check from there. Normally, if I start getting this, it's fine, but we take the time. Some of them are then how could you know that what is 5 years? This city is a shape of it. How could I identify it? Then from this request object, you can identify it. So, it's 3 okay. I think I should go to session. Get it out.
All the database comes to the database and finally comes to the folder. How I will get it?
Do you have search engine Google?
But I had done the file of the person. I had shown the data.
Tell me data you want to do it, right? It's your point. In this form, there is only one field, and there is hybrid field. Now, suppose I have in this form, suppose I have different type of it is a particular type of operator type. Then how do you do it, right? So should I have now we have to select one claim and raise file. What is function and raise multiple claims. How to get it? How to get both the data in a single form? Okay. Is it your question? Is it your question?
Name should go to the database and file should go to the.
That is the next part. First, you need to get this both of the field, file and the form data into the same action. In case my action is this coming, right? First, you need to get the both of the thing. This. Then after that, you first you need to get this to your corporate. It means the first point is you do you work on the character. Electrical if part is hybrid. Now the formula I need to change it. Here. First, start from the You won't get this on the classmate. I have searched it many times in my game. আমরা প্রশান্ত না প্রশান্ত
আরে ভুলে যাও প্রশান্ত প্রশান্ত না
আর প্রশান্ত
itu you can use the correct multiple notation.
Notation তো অন্য গল্প আমি সিম্পল কোড করছি অ্যালোকেশন তো বড় সরো ব্যাপার
আমি এগুলোই করেছিলাম from data মানে I have done that like name and the file.
অ্যালোকেশন ইউজ করে ইউজ করতে পারবে অ্যালোকেশন কি অ্যালোকেশন জিনিসটা কি
Addition to mapping.
শুরু লাগে অ্যালোকেশন ইউজার ডিফাইন নিজে কোনো অ্যালোকেশন বানিয়েছো নিজে কোনো অ্যালোকেশন বানিয়েছো
না কত ক্ষমতা নেই
অবশ্যই অ্যাপ স্ট্রিং জাম্প অ্যাপ পছন্দ
না কত ক্ষমতা নেই
ক্ষমতা না থাকলে কিছু সিম্পল করা
না ওটা ভালো
তুমি তো নিজে কোনো একটা অ্যালোকেশন বানিয়ে নিতে পারো অ্যাপ্লিকেশন বানিয়ে ইউজ করতে পারো ইন্টারেস্টিং
Please speak in Bengali English.
Okay, if is a param part, then from this param part we can get parameter. Okay. Param part now. String value, get value, and write just to make the string value. People. Question. So it just first thing. Again, I'm telling you that this is not this police. Just this police not sufficient. We need to make it real application. We need to do many things. That is the next part. So this is our final part. Some formula. Then why this? Because Elamite formula. If you are about to find this kind of example, you won't get easily in Google search. Okay, it's 3:22. Time to close the session.
Excuse me, sir. 1 minute. Excuse me. Sir, regarding the submit session, could you send the source code, sir? Yes, sir.
How do you
Sir?
How are you?
Fine, sir.
And what about the remaining guys of your batch?
Remaining guys, I'm not in contact with them, sir.
They are placed.